Cheers, everyone. How's it going? Happy springtime, guys. Get a little tunes going here. It's about just right before lunchtime here, having a drink. Let's start opening up some palm trees. Today's the day. Could have done it before, but why not? Today's a great day. Beautiful, 14 degrees and sunny. Let's get this going, guys. I don't know if we're going to get to these guys. We're definitely going to do the front ones. Well, first step's off. Tarp off. It's getting hard. There's so many. Normally I'm not this late, especially for these front ones. There's so much stuff poking up there. I'm trying not to step on all my stuff that comes back each year. Looking pretty good so far. The most amount of work is just taking the stuff off. It's not bad taking it off. It's bad putting it away till next spring or till next fall. I'm sure I say this all the time, but look at the moisture on the top sheet. That's why I put this second piece of insulation here, and this area creates an area for the condensation to build, and then it can go on top of here and not keep the palm wet. You have to push right against there. So I always recommend you put a second piece of insulation, create an air barrier between the two. You can really see the lean from here. See, she's leaning her head out away from the house because it needs to get its sun. Just opening it up right now. This one's looking pretty good. It's got its flowers coming out. Hey, Holly. Got its flowers coming out. Let's open this guy up. Yeah, palm trees out. All right, looking pretty good. It's out. Not too shabby. Came out really nice. Might be all I do today, but this is the best case scenario. It was a nice non-windy day where you can leave stuff sitting here and you don't have to worry about it blowing away or anything. Just gonna open this up. Might actually have lots of seeds on here, thousands of seeds. Might actually have a few super cold hardy though. When I was taking it apart, the box was right here. The box wall was right actually here. So these ones here were outside of the box, and I'm tugging on them. They look like they made it, but they were just barely right against the box. Most of these here, out this side here, they all died. But there's one way over here. This is like at least a foot, 2 feet away, and I'm tugging on it and it feels really good. Looks like it made it. And there might be a couple right here that are coming back. These ones, I'm tugging on them too, and they look good. These are really far away from where the box is. The box will be right there, about a foot and a half, 2 feet away, with no protection. Right in the winter. They're close to the house, of course. Maybe they're getting a bit of microclimate, whatever, but this will be interesting to see if these guys start to come through. I'll dig these ones up that are closest to this bush here, and I'll plant them somewhere away from the house that they can get exposed a little more, and see if we can grow those up. Maybe we got some super cold hardy ones. I'm not sure. These ones at the base, they look great because they were inside the box. So, but lots of seeds here too. I'm just gonna keep letting them fall. Of course, I might trim some of them off and throw them around other places, but just gonna open this up, and that'll be it for these two guys in the front. One's looking great. Right, so there's that guy opened up. Doesn't look great, this one, because I really have to crush this down. About 8.5 foot box, but I really have to crush it down. But there it is anyways. I was gonna put a new layer of fronds on top of that, so should look pretty good this summer. All right, guys. Here we go. Here's one more. I don't know if I'm gonna do this guy. I should, but I'm just getting busy doing stuff. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon now. Got all the other palms, lots of my other palm trees out here sitting in some afternoon sun. Just gotta take the Christmas lights off and take the bungee cord off. Clean up, it's the cleanup that's the nightmare, so might do them a little bit slowly, I don't know. I'm gonna leave these washies for this weekend. I'll do the windmills, and then maybe next weekend I'll do the washies, but let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna do this one, but 8-foot step ladder, just untying this guy here. Really crushed down fronds, but still looking good. Babies look great. Hopefully it'll flush this out. This is the first year I've really had to crush the fronds down on it, so we'll see how it looks. Lots of thousands and thousands of ripe seeds. All right, well, in case I don't do anything else, I'm just doing this one and this guy and the two out front. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna upload this on the same day, April, whatever, 14th, whatever the hell day it is today in April, on Sunday. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Later.